guys, welcome back. So today, as you can tell, we are set up in the bathroom. I'm going to show you guys how I get ready with all this long hair in like 10 minutes. It's super quick. Just heating up my curling iron. This is the brand Sultra. But yeah, this is the brand Sultra. It has one heat setting, really hot. But yeah, it works great. It's a really good curling wand. It's clampless. Obviously, I don't use clamps. I don't think anyone uses clamps anymore. But yeah, so it's going to bring in a little bit more. So I usually like to take a hair tie and I will put my hair in a low ponytail. Just like that. Nothing crazy. And I always use my trusty Tresemme, you think I would know this by heart. It's the Thermal Creations. It costs like $3 at the drugstore. And I'll just spray down the parts I'm going to be styling. I love it because it mists a wide radius. So then I just try to coat my hair in it. And then I'll take a comb and just brush through any knots, and it distributes the product a little bit better, and it makes it so that it's not like soaking wet. This is perfect for days where you're not washing your hair, or you woke up late and you don't have time to curl your entire head and really spend that much time on styling your hair, but it's like you don't know what to do with your hair if you don't style it, and you don't want to look, unpresentable. So this has helped me numerous times, and this probably isn't a new trick or anything. I'm just showing you what I do when I have like 10 minutes to get ready. Or it's red and it just stops blinking when it's ready. And then I just wrap the hair around the wand, and then I like to hold it there for about 18 to 20 seconds. And then I just put it in my hand as I unwrap it and let the curl go. As you can see, it's just a nice little wave to the hair. Obviously, the longer you hold it and the smaller pieces you take, the more defined and the more tight the curl will be. But today I like to do loose waves just to give that like effortless, chic look. And then unravel that and let it go. And now I'm going to do the rest of my hair. If you want, you can go in opposite directions of the way you're curling if you want to give a more girl next door look, I would say. So yeah, I'm just alternating sides, and I'm just going to begin on this side and just rotate from side to side. So I'm going to speed this process up because obviously you're getting the gist. You're just curling from the ponytail down and holding however long you feel necessary. Okay, so here we are with our curls. Obviously no more hair in the back. So we're just gonna let them cool a little bit. Take out the ponytail. And now, as you can see, I have like some front pieces that need attention. So I'm just gonna bring everything to the front and see where I need to touch up. So I usually just touch up the face framing pieces. So I take this piece of hair, wrap it, I do like 10 to 12 seconds. Catch it in your hand, kind of let it cool off a little bit, let it fall. As you can see, you get a really pretty curl. And then exact same thing on the other side. These guys need a little bit more oomph in them. Some of those front pieces, just give them some extra attention. Obviously you don't have to hold them there long, as you can see. I'm just like touching up like the very front pieces that is most noticeable. And that is it. Super easy to do, and it just totally transforms your look entirely. You can mess around with it, play with which side. You can kind of like mess around with it, see which part looks best. Looks like I burnt my head up here, which I usually do when I curl my hair. But yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And until I see you in my next video, bye!